Hello viewers, I am Maxu from Jobless Adventure. Untuk tahun yang baru 2026, kita ada showroom baru juga. Wah! Okay, powered by Wang Maju Motors Grand Berhad, we have the first dedicated CF Motor showroom in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. Also, powered by Wang Maju Motor, we have the first also QJ punya dedicated showroom. Now, daripada kita panas-panas di luar, mari kita tengok di dalam. Let's go! Belum siap lagi. So this will be the first and only QJ Motors punya dedicated showroom in Malaysia. Tapi itu sajalah, dia belum siap lagi. So nanti siap sudah, saya akan buat satu full tour video, and then kita jalan-jalan bersama-sama. So until then, ini hari bukan sekadar itu saja. I want to show you the showroom. We are also taking a look at the SRK 250RR. Barukah tidak? Let's have a look. Jom. Now you're with me in front of the LS2 display. Kita ada satu motor yang saya rasa banyak orang pernah nampak sudah, which is the QJ Moto SRK 250RR. Kenapa ini model specifically? Because ini actually released in 2022. Ini motosikal actually balik because of popular demand. Okay? Because dalam pasaran motosikal yang 250 2 silinder ni, okay, we're not talking about the SRK 250S yang I reviewed before this, yang single cylinder. This is actually a double cylinder producing 25 horsepower and 24 Newton meters of torque. Okay? So ini motosikal kenapa backed by popular demand kan? Kalau kamu pernah study engine sikit lah, kamu akan tahu there's actually a few types of crank angle. Okay? So ada motosikal yang 180 degree crank, dia punya sound macam saya akan tunjuk kamu. And also you have the 270 degree crank, which is this one. Nanti saya akan buat sound check for you, and it sounds amazing. Okay? And one of the biggest difference of the 180 and 270 will be revealed to you when we look at the engine later on. Okay? Now let's start as usual dari depan sampai belakang. So depan ni motorcycle is powered by dual-part single disc brake of QJ Motors own made punya. Okay, tire dia 110, 70, 17. And then kamu boleh nampak radiator dia memang liquid cool. And one of the best thing is untuk harga 17,888 kamu dapat upside down fork juga. Cuma it's not adjustable. In this price, boleh faham lah. Now this power plant is salah satu reason kenapa orang suka betul ini motosikal. Because dia 270 degree crank ni, okay, first of all dia tidak produce as high horsepower as per se Kawasaki with the 180 crank, tapi suara dia is different and torque dia lagi tinggi lagi. Alright, so daripada sound traditional, nanti saya akan tunjuk kamu comparison Kawasaki Ninja 250 versus this one. Kamu akan dengar dia perbezaan sangat besar. Satu tup, ini macam sport bike betul-betul bah. Okay, dia punya engine spec is 25 horsepower with 24 Newton meters of torque, which is more than enough for day-to-day commute, lightweight, and sounds perfect. Guaranteed with warranty. Tire profile belakang motosikal ni 140, 70, 17. Okay, so ada fat juga sikit, but it's not the fattest. tapi saya rasa kamu boleh upsize to 150, no issue kalau ini tidak cukup pakai. Okay, so single disc brake at the belakang tambah dengan single monoshock. Okay, dia memang not really adjustable, but bolehlah adjust dia punya preload sajalah. Okay, very standard setup yang memang kamu kalau mau more, feel free to change to parts yang you like more. Okay, so ini motosikal dengan harga dia yang 17,888 saja. You have more budget to customize compared kalau kamu beli model lain. Alright, sekarang kamu berada di cockpit of the QJ SRK 250 RR bersama saya. Now, this is where dia punya design nampak ada tua sikit sudah, memang dari 2022 sudah. Okay, because this is just a normal display yang biru in warna, not the best. And then dia punya enter select button is just to check the trip and sama tukar dia punya jam saja, which it has. But one of the good things that it has is di tepi dia punya dash ni, kamu boleh nampak ada USB port. Yeah, boleh charging. And it's actually quite full. Kamu boleh nampak ref, your gear indicator, your speed, and also your odometer together with dia punya jam lah. Okay, fuel indicator on the top left. And then sekarang kita tengok dia punya left side of the handlebar. You can see it's a fully adjustable clutch lever. Okay, you have your highlight here. Sini juga. Enter select for you to change time and also your trip. Kiri kanan, signal and also horn. On the kanan side is your standard stuff, your ignition switch and also hazard lights and start stop. Begitu saja. Very simple bike. There is no riding modes. The riding mode is you. Okay, you want to ride fast, go fast. You don't want to go fast, chill lah. Nah, this motosikal kan, one of the best thing also dia punya design, it looks like a mini Ducati tapi tidak warna merah. Actually dia ada jual warna merah juga, cuma sekarang kita punya stok di sini ada hitam saja. Kalau kamu beli warna merah, kau buang saja stiker QJ, saya pun ingat dia Ducati. Okay. And then dia punya tangki ini 14 liter, cukup untuk perjalanan 300 and above. Way more than enough. Now finally, we are going to dengar bunyi exhaust difference between Ninja and the QJ SRK 250 RR, and let's go for a ride after that. Jom. Okay, di sini saya berada on top of one Ninja 250 tahun 2018, but the engine has been the same for a lot of years lah. So sekarang kita dengar dulu engine ini motosikal, and then we compare dengan the QJ SRK 250 RR. This is how a Kawasaki sounds like. Okay, so ini dia punya can memang sudah tukar lah. So it's not stock. Tapi walaupun dia bukan stock, dia punya bunyi macam tidak berapa sedap, tutuk macam traktor. Okay, sekarang saya tunjuk kamu apa yang sedap. Okay, lepas kamu dengar tu motosikal Ninja 250, now this is gonna surprise you. Just to remind you guys, ini motosikal completely stock ya, belum modify, belum tukar exhaust lagi. Kau bayangkan kalau kamu tukar, oh my god, like you cantik. Okay, dia bukan tutup dia wow terus, OMG. Now, betul-betul saya mau test ride loh. Let's go. Okay, sekarang you berada with me on the cockpit of the QJ Moto, and now we're going to take it out of the brand new showroom for a small test run. Let's go. Oh, suara dia cantik kok. Let's go. Now, saya belum explore lagi the luar of this tempat baru. Wow. Okay, so belakang ni actually is another shop. So let's not go in. Let's do a short U-turn. Okay. So wah, wah, dia punya power siok gila. Okay, even the exhaust note sounds so poisonous. Okay, sekarang kita lawat dulu Isuzu, the next door. Okay, it's taken the drag to first gear. Okay, we are going to do a short U-turn. Wait, wait. Sorry for moving. Okay. Okay, now we can actually do a mountain check sudah. So second gear naik gunung actually tidak masalah langsung. Okay, this motorcycle is light. It's full of torque. Okay, saya actually boleh tarik lagi panjang lah, you know, before saya masuk gear baru. But this is a brand new bike yang haven't lagi run in much. So let's not do too much. I am having so much fun. This is a nice ass motorcycle lah. Come on. And then, my goodness, for dia punya harga, Joe, I'm telling you, kalau kamu on the fence mau beli QJ motor, this is the first one you should get. Alright, I'm pretty sure I look cool as fuck on this motorcycle also. Right, I'll see you later. We wrap this up. Now, kita balik sudah kepada QJ Motor Showroom pertama in Malaysia once again. So tadi I was too busy having fun sudah, so banyak barang saya tidak cakap. But I just want to sum it all up untuk kamu. Okay. Yes, ini motorcycle. Dia punya features ada basic sikit. Okay. Dia punya Fox memang non-adjustable. Kamu nampak dia punya display pun bukan full digital crystal LCD. No, it's very basic. But once kamu rev itu throttle kan, dia punya power and dia punya bunyi, it becomes so addictive. Tadi saya main, saya lupa sudah everything I want to say because ini motorcycle is so fun to ride lah guys. Okay. And just to give you some context, dalam pasaran ini, kalau kamu mau beli Ninja yang kamu nampak tadi, brand new it costs around 24k. Alright, kalau kamu mau beli R25 is a bit lower, depending on where you look, maybe 22, 24, all the way ada yang jual sampai 28 lagi. Tapi one thing I can say for sure is ini QJ motor yang kamu nampak di depan mata kamu sekarang is only 17,888. Kamu dapat bunyi yang sangat cantik, power yang sangat addictive. Yes, dia basic sikit, tapi once you turn the key, and dia punya key ni actually macam Ultraman begitu, dia boleh buka macam knife. Once you turn this key, oh my god, dia punya 17,888 punya harga nampak cheap sudah, tiba-tiba nampak macam bargain. Saya tidak ingat sudah when is the last time I have so much good things to say untuk satu motosikal yang 250cc. But if you're in the market, kamu cari satu motosikal untuk starting 250cc, tidak mau more than 20,000, I'm telling you, nothing beats this bike lah. Okay? Ikhlas punya ikhlas kasih tahu kamu. I akan rekomend setiap orang yang baru dapat lesen, mau cari motor 250, start with this. Jujur, no cap. Alright? This is the review for today. Okay? Dengan new showroom ni, management dia kasih tahu saya juga, untuk setiap motor baru yang kamu nampak launching, sudah rilis untuk jual, will arrive ini kedai within 1 month. Okay? So I will be doing my best to deliver you the latest review di kita punya flagship showroom in QJ Moto, and also kita punya flagship showroom CF Moto, powered by Wang Maju Moto. Alright, that's it for the review today. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Gila nih motosikal guys. I will see you next time. Maxwell, Happy New Year!